We've been using the box score at our company in two different ways. The first is with our weekly standard work. We have a stand-up meeting every Monday afternoon where we look at the box score from the week before to see if there's any surprises in there based on our performance, and also to see if the improvements that we were expecting from previous Kaizen events are showing up in the box score. Mm-hmm. The second way we're using it is for decision support and to justify justify decisions and look at different scenarios. We've been using it for decisions on whether to do a new product with a customer at a particular price, to justify capital equipment, or at times just to look at the impact on the business of smaller Kaizens where we are curious to see what the return on sales impact would be for a change we're making. One example of where the box score has been helpful to us has been in capital equipment justification. As part of a plant consolidation, we've had the opportunity and actually the need to invest in equipment to better facilitate flow of material from machining through assembly and out to the customer. This was a substantial investment for us, and the CEO and CFO agreed to using the box score as the justification mechanism instead of the traditional ROI and cash flow calculations that are normally associated with a large capital investment. The team was very impressed and really understood the commitment and buy-in at the executive level if their CEO and CFO are willing to make a large investment and have the confidence in the box score to justify such an investment. We believe there's a couple examples where the decision we made using the box score is different from how it would have gone back when we were using more traditional methods. First situation was a decision whether to launch a new product with an existing customer at a margin lower than what we would normally anticipate being willing to do. The situation turned out differently in two different ways. One, the analysis went faster, in part because we had confidence in the way we were doing the assessment and understanding the impact on the business. And secondly, by doing the analysis the way we did it with the box score, we justified our hunch that the business made sense, even at the low margins, was borne out to be accurate through the box score. That's a situation where in the past we probably would have said, no, the gross margin just doesn't look good, let's not take it. But when we looked at it against the entire value stream, the business did make sense to pursue.